We have never had this many cicadas ever. This is May 2016. Going down here to the basketball hoop. They're up the poles all over the barn. There's my one that looks like the evil queen. I love that look. Over to the barn here. They're all over the ground over here. I don't know if you can hear the humming over the mower. Not so many up front here, but this one tree, it's pretty bad. The other day, over here on the other side of the house, the porch was covered with them too. There's my little bird Cole got me for Mother's Day this year. Don't have too many over here, but here's the porch. They just have kind of an infestation of them. This tree has a few, but that other tree on the other side of the house is what really gets it. You just walk around in the yard, you just hear crunch, crunch, crunch.